Hi, today I'm going to show you how to add Vertigo effect to video in Kdenlive. So if you want to do it, first you need to go to project bin settings, and after that you need to drag and drop your video to the timeline. Then you need to select the video which you want to edit. So for example, I select this one video, and here I need to go to Effects tab. It is very important to open this tab because here you can find really useful motions and effects. So for example, on search field, I need to type Vertigo. Then we will find this effect in motion settings. So we need to drag and drop this effect to our video. After that, the preview of your video you may see here. So first, let's check how it looks on the previous version of this video. So let's play it. So it is the previous version, yeah, it looks really great, but we can see here the Vertigo effect. So now I will stop this video and I will play the video with Vertigo effect. So I click play button, and how you see, it looks really great in my opinion. So if I helped you to add this effect to the video, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Please let me know in comment if it's of a problem.